By the end of this video, you will understand how moving ice can erode the landscape and create a huge feature called a U-shaped valley. Glacial erosion or erosion by moving ice is done by a thing called plucking and abrasion. This is when the underside of glaciers are sticky, and I'm sure you've all had experience of your tongue sticking to an ice lolly or something like that, so you know that really cold frozen ice is very sticky. This means that any loose rocks or debris on the mountainside can stick to the bottom of the glacier as it moves slowly down the slope. And those little pieces of debris that are stuck in the ice, actually they're not little at all, you can have huge big boulders stuck to the bottom of glaciers too, but they scrape away at the mountainside and they erode it, and this type of erosion is called plucking and abrasion. And plucking and abrasion can create lots of different features in the landscape. We can actually see a lot of them here in Ireland because Ireland was affected by the last ice age. There's a big list of them here, like corries and tarns, pyramidal peaks, arêtes, U-shaped valleys, paternoster lakes, truncated spurs and hanging valleys. And for your junior cert, you need to know about the formation of at least one of these features. So I'm going to talk to you about U-shaped valleys now. They're also called glaciated valleys. They're very simply made. They used to be V-shaped valleys like here, and I taught you how rivers erode downwards and then mass movement occurs to cause these V-shaped valleys in the mountainside. Well, if they're there already and then during an ice age this is filled with ice and densely packed snow, it becomes a glacier, and the glacier starts moving down and eroding this V-shaped valley, making it wider and having a flat valley floor with really, really steep sides like this. And sometimes there's a stream or paternoster lakes in the V-shaped or in the U-shaped valley after glaciation. I have a photograph here of Glendalough. This is our Irish example of a U-shaped valley. Can you see that beautiful U-shape? And it has a wide flat valley floor. It's not a V-shape at all, and it has very, very steep sides. Actually, you can see some scree on the side of the slope there. There's a lot of freeze-thaw action going on there. And here is one of the ribbon lakes or paternoster lakes in Glendalough. And the word Glendalough is Irish for glen is valley, daw is two, and loch is lake. So it's the valley of the two lakes. So that's a really nice feature of glacial erosion in Ireland.